Energy, 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 energy. I am the talent. I am the I am the cookie. Be the cookie. What's up everybody? I'm Rupert. I'm Charlie. And today we're going to be making cookies with chocolate chips in there. Oh yeah. Alright, what do we start with, bro? So, first things first, cookies. Let's get this on. Let's do this! You, grab a whisk. We should always just have this thing ready to go. Okay, the things we have, which will be in the description below. We've got flour. We have flour, which will be 505 grams of your best plain flour, 6 grams of baking powder, 8 grams of cornstarch, 5 grams of salt, 280 grams of unsalted butter, 115 grams of sugar, 2 egg yolks, 2 eggs, 400 grams of dark chocolate, 285 grams of brown dark sugar. We have 2 different types of sugars. We do, and we also have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Perfect. All the lovely things you would want in a cookie. First things first, what we're going to get into is our flour. So what we're going to do is Rupert is going to combine our cornstarch. I'm doing something! Our cornstarch, our baking powder and our salt, and we're just going to whisk that and leave it to the side. Stirring it up. Just hold up, Stop. So it just doesn't have to be perfect. Perfect. That's now stirred in. Next, I've got a pan, and what we're going to do is we're going to add our butter. You're going to melt that. We're going to melt it down, but what we're going to do is we're going to melt it and we're going to slightly burn it. It's what we call a beurre noisette. That's going to add such an amazing flavour. Sounds incredibly French, and I like the sound of that. So what we're going to do, don't be scared of it. It's going to just melt and it's going to start to bubble up more and more. And it's going to burn off those milk solids, right? That's what I heard. Is yeah, pretty much, yeah, sort of. So it's going to start going brown, and we're going to, what we're going to do. So we're going to leave that until it goes nice and brown, and we're going to slowly add it. What I'm going to do next, or what you're going to do next, is chocolate. Yeah, we're going to chop this up into lovely shards, some nice small bits, some nice chunky bits. So like chunky small. I need a fucking mallet or something. If you don't respect a chocolate, how are you going to respect anything else, huh? I've got chocolate on my phone. So the chocolate's now chopped. Pretty much. Done a sterling jab, and our bone was like done. So about 5 minutes, you'll start to see it really bubble up, and you just kind of want it a nice, burnt golden brown. Burnt golden brown. Yeah, golden brown. If that's a thing, textures like I want it burnt golden brown. In the air, with my mind she ran. What? You haven't heard Golden Brown? It's a song about heroin. That's horrible. That's awful. Nice. Okay, now we have our burnt golden brown colour, whatever that is. Fucking hell, you've not done that yet? Jesus Christ. Sorry, chef. Yeah, you're damn right. We can get you working this episode because you do fuck all. Whisk, hold. Right, we're going in with 2 sugars. So we've got a dark brown sugar and a white caster sugar. It's always good to use 2 sugars in cookies. Nice. Gives a nice balance. Keep whisking. It's actually quite a useful utensil. You're not out of useful. Alright, now then our butter's nice and cool, it's not so hot. We can get an electric whisk and start whisking this in. And if you're doing it by hand, if you haven't got an electric whisk, that's fine. You just whisk it and just really slowly add it. So now that it's starting to like cream together, we're going to add just our vanilla extract. So basically what we're trying to achieve is you want the sugar to become like a bit lighter in colour, and when it creams together. Oh, this thing is so stiff. Be careful, man. Right, next thing we want to do is add our eggs slowly, one by one. So just put one in here. Perfect. 2 seconds. Egg number 2. Yeah, get the yolks. One at a time. One at a time, yeah. One, 2. Right, cool. Now it's time to start adding the flour. Half. Not all of it, are you sure? There's half in there. And with the spatula or the paddle, incorporate your flour until it's nice and doughy. Doughy! Doughy! I'm also going to add in all the chocolate chips. Well, you're going to add the chocolate chips now? He's crazy, he's ruthless. Shut the fuck up. Cool, add the rest of your flour in. Now that's all incorporated, try not to eat it all, but cookie dough is... You just had a go at me for eating some and now you're having Right, ice cream scoop. These things want to be really big. Do you not just want to like... No, I want them huge. You want them huge? Yeah. Because the taller they are, the nice big cookies we're going to get. What we're going to do is we're going to chill these for 45 minutes because it's better to bake them when they're cool, otherwise they'll just like separate everywhere. Oh my god. Right, let's whack these in the fridge. So we've had them in there for about 45 minutes and they should be nice and big and hard. We're not going to bake them all together on this tray. Big cookie cake. Bigger tray. Okay, so we're going to really separate them. I think, yeah, that should be fine. I think that's good. And then you've got, yeah, nice 4 on there. And then what did we set the oven to? So I've set it quite high. I put it on like 200 and we're going to bake them for about 8 to 12 minutes. 8 to 12 minutes? Because we still want them like undercooked inside, so when they cool down they'll be like really soft to break open. Perfect, let's whack these in. Bye cookies. We'll see you in 8 minutes with hopefully delicious, delectable, warm cookies.
A few moments later.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Right. Holy fuck knuckles! Alright, now these cookies are done. They're cooked to absolute perfection. Let them cool for about 5 minutes, then we'll put them on the cooling rack. Alright then guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you in the next one. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you've even tried these cookie recipes. And always push that like and notification button. And we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.